Well, it's a few days later, realizing I didn't film an intro for this video, so here we are. Front came on the phone. Can I flip the camera? Does it let me? It does not. So you don't get to see it, but I am attempting to edit the video for this one where I unstuck the truck. The front diff is blown up. I will make a complete video on that. At the end, I do talk about it a little bit. Maybe I was going to use that for the intro. I don't remember anymore. But it's what you're getting. So enjoy the first clip where I have time-lapsed getting everything set up. And then I'll jump to actually pulling it with the winch. And then you can just enjoy everything else, I guess. Yeah. Hey, yo, it's your boy. We're doing things out of order because I'm tired. Let's see behind me, maybe. I got the truck stuck. Four-wheel drive is broken. First, the good news. We're not stuck anymore. Four-wheel drive is still broken. But it's not the transfer case or the front drive shaft. Those are both working. It's the front diff. And I'm pretty sure it's either this piece here or the piece that's in here. But I won't know until I tear everything apart. But that's for tomorrow. I'll pull that actuator off, see what I can see. But yeah, we were trying to back up, and because this is a hill, not a very steep one, mind you, but it doesn't get plowed, and my tires are now 5 years old and really abused. They don't grip, and all of the weight's in the front of the truck. It went slippy slidey, and then we got stuck here really bad, and you'll see in the videos. That winch is amazing. Wish I would have gotten it sooner. But anyways, we're out. Mr. Mike is out here. But it's like noon. I need to get back to sleep because I work nights now. So this video, I don't know. I'll edit it sometime. Peace out. Row, 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 row. Row. Row, row, row. And I got a new video. Gotta do a video on this again.